Hello dear all, I would like to share with you a useful information about AUKOM. AUKOM. AUKOM is actually Ausbildung Koordinatenmesstechnik. So you can see here Ausbildung Koordinatenmesstechnik. What is that? For me it's a very normal things, because when somebody have a background in mechanical engineering, and so in my case first time this AUKOM is a German words, so I couldn't find a proper information anywhere to learn about this. So suddenly I found this website on Google, and that's why I would thought to create a video on this website to just introduce the whole things. It's just a coordinate measuring, not just coordinate, but so many other things that useful in quality control management and to measuring the products and manufacturing. So my aim just sharing with you this website. You can learn the AUKOM yourself online. You can see here e-learning option here. Yeah, when you click here, then this page will be open like this, or I can do for you here, and then you have to go here, and then you have to select the units. Here's 14 units, one by one you can learn yourself. It's a very informative and organized website in different languages. You can choose your language, and I found it's very amazing. It's a very good, excellent for understanding the concepts. So in this way you can learn the whole things about AUKOM. Yeah, and some companies providing also some online and offline physicals this course, and they will ask you some fees about this, and in the end they will provide you a certificate also. So I found when you do this yourself or any organization, it will be beneficial for your career. It's very nice. You can more surf on this website yourself. And okay, thanks for watching.